Hey Crafty friends, I wanted to show off my latest Crafty haul. All of this is from the Not Too Shabby shop, and this is my first time purchasing anything from this store, and I love the kits that I got. They're so cute. My order came with this free gift of sparkling enamel dots. This was for spending $60 or more, and I love the colors. I got the Easy Wonder die set number 1 and coordinating dies. I'm looking forward to giving this a try. The panel is almost 6 by 6, so you have very minimal scraps left over. The coordinating dies create mats for the square and circle from the main die. The back even has some sketch ideas. I also grabbed the Easy Wonder die number 2 and the coordinating die set. It's really nice to have a die that cuts out the shapes and allows me to mix and match sheets from my paper pads. I have this fun ladybug paper pad and coordinating die cuts pieces. You can see how cute these are, and I'm excited to create some cute cards with these. There are so many cute bears in ladybug costumes, plus you get 2 of each design. The die cuts are on thicker cardstock, and they don't feel too thin, which is great if you like to use glue. I also really like the sentiments. Some fun puns, and they're very fitting. They include hello little lady, cute as a bug, mommy's little love bug, and can I bug you? Ladybug Hugs is the name of the paper pad. It features 12 designs on double-sided 6x6 paper. You get 4 sheets of each pattern. The paper is a smooth, glossy style paper, and I really like the mixture of ladybugs and simple patterns on these sheets. The next set I got is gnome and lemon themed. I have the Life is Sweet paper pad. Again, has 12 designs on double-sided 6x6 glossy paper. This whole pad is full of different lemon patterns. Next, I have this roll of pet tape. Pet tape stickers are like washi tape, but with a more plastic-like material. This whole roll is full of different gnome patterns. You actually get quite a few different gnome designs before it repeats. I'm excited to use the gnomes with the coordinating paper pad. This kit I grabbed from the Last Chance section is called Pink Halloween. This kit is packed with goodies for me to make some cute Halloween themed cards. The shiny circle is a sticker that coordinates with the set, and I'm sure it will find a home in my memory keeper. The kit starts with some shiny enamel dots called Cutesy Halloween. There are 2 packs of die cut images and 2 packs of 6x6 paper. Halloween Coffee is the first pad, and it features, as the name suggests, coffee-themed Halloween patterns. The patterns with no coffee feature pumpkins, a glitter-looking paper with no actual glitter, and some stars and dots. Some of the paper is pink and black with a couple of orange sheets. The next pad is Pink and Black Halloween. All the sheets are pink, black, and white. The patterns feature cats, bats, spider webs, ghosts, and more. The patterns are really cute. Let's take a look at the die cut images featured in this kit. The first pack has all the Halloween themed images. So you got witches, jars of pumpkins, cute skeletons, ghosts, and even some candy. There's pumpkins with cute faces, cats in witch hats, a castle, and more. There's 2 of each design, so this pack has lots of possibilities. The second pack has the Halloween coffee themed die cuts, which has cats, balloons, leaves, cupcakes, candy corn, pumpkins, and more. Again, with 2 of each design to keep the options open. Both packs use the same color palette and will work great together to mix and match. This kit has a lot to offer, and I'm very happy that I picked it up. The final kit I grabbed is the Tea Loving Gnomes kit. I picked up this kit for the pastel colors and adorable gnomes. The first item is Minty Peach Sparkly Enamel Dots. The kit also comes with this clear stamp set, which has 2 large gnome stamps and a whole bunch of sentiments, such as, "Thanks for all you do," "You're my cup of tea," "A sweet hello," and more. Peachy Mint Bliss is the name of the 6x6 paper pad for this kit. Features a mixture of plaids, hearts, dots, triangles, and more fun patterns. The green and peach colors are very nice, and I love how well they all coordinate with each other. Finally, I have the adorable gnome die cuts. You have gnomes drinking hot teas, sipping on iced teas. This gnome sitting on a tree branch is really fun. And all these images are super cozy. One thing I did notice that while there are 2 of each image, they're actually in 2 different sizes. There is a small size and a larger version of that. The 2 sizes are actually a nice touch, and they have me thinking of sketches that will fit for both sizes. And that is my whole haul from Not Too Shabby. I have 2 kits and 2 coordinating sets, plus both Easy Wonder die sets and their add-ons. While the 2 kits I got don't appear to be available at the moment, you can buy the items individually. I am excited with my haul from this shop, and I look forward to sharing what I make with all of these. And thanks for watching. Have a crafty day. Bye!